friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. If you're wondering how I'm doing, pretty sure you can already tell I'm doing amazing. I'm living my best life, guys. This is hands down one of the most beautiful wigs I've received, and definitely the most beautiful wig I've received from this company. What company is that? You're definitely gonna have to stick around to find out all the details about today's wig and install. Today's hair sponsor is Elva Hair. I have worked with them in the past and I'm so glad to have them back. This is like beyond my expectations. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 5x5 real HD closure wig. This is in the curly texture, and guys, this is a glueless wig. It comes with a glueless strap so you can wear it 100% glueless. As you can see today, I'm also wearing it glueless. This wig also does come ready to wear. This is a beautiful wig, first of all. I do want to define the curls before I move forward because they will start drying. I'm going to use some Eco Style gel because I don't even want to give them the opportunity to start drying without having some product in there to help it set. If you put too much gel and the hair gets straight, that's how you know you put too much on that section. So I would just go ahead and spray some water to kind of thin it out because you want it to be, you want it to have product, but not that much. So if you guys don't already know, like this wig is real HD lace, right? So this lace comes all the way from Switzerland. The difference with Switzerland Swiss lace is it usually always comes with a frayed edge. So when you look at the lace, you can tell that it's a Swiss lace from Switzerland. I think they make the best lace ever. And the type of lace that I use for my wig line is also this type of Swiss lace that is pretty undetectable. Like, see, there's no lace tint. There's no lace tint, there's no nothing. It's just natural. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. This is the lazy girl plucking. If you want to do a full pluck, I suggest you take the wig off of your head and pluck it on the mannequin. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help. Spray that back. Wet that so we can see what the hair is looking like. So far I only took this much out. It's not that much, but it's gonna be enough to make a difference. And then I'm going to see what I got. Guys, did I put the gel all over? Did I put it on the top part? I don't remember. I think I did, right? It seems to work on you. I'm just going to get some kind of gel.
we do put baby hairs on this one side, we kind of have to put it on the other side, don't we? Is that weird if you don't? You just put it on the side that's seen? Because I've done that before. I don't know. Is that like a weird thing to do? Real thin line for me. Like, I feel like this might even be too much baby hairs for this particular style. I'm just going to try to comb a few of those hairs back. We're going to go in with some powder.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
The deep parting space, like, oh my god, 5x5, like, it's almost giving me like 5x7 because it goes all the way back. Like, it goes even further back, you guys. I was able to do a beautiful C-curve part, and I am living my best life with this side part. This is how much parting space we have on this lace. It's very deep, very wide, beautiful. Like, the knots were really tiny, so when we did bleach them, they're gone. Like, knots wear, right? Lace wear. Tell me if you can spot it, because I cannot. Now let's get into the hair, because the hair is the star. The hair is the star of the show. Wow. What the f? The hair is the star of the show when it comes to this wig. Wow, the curls, absolutely beautiful. And guys, look at the length. It's giving long hair, don't care. For a curly style, to have it this long, it is giving true to length. I would say it's even giving longer than 26 inch. We are here for that. You guys know I always have a good time when I get a beautiful long wig that's just gorgeous, flawless, perfection. The density is chef's kiss. Everything is perfect. I wouldn't change a thing on this wig. Beautiful, 10 out of 10. If I can give it higher, I would definitely recommend. If you're wondering if this wig is caviarkezzy approved, I would say absolutely. Now, with this real HD lace, you can wear her glueless without any lace tint like I did. I did not put a single drop of foundation or lace tint on the lace. It's just giving natural. It's going to blend on every single skin tone. It's giving you need to buy it. I wouldn't walk over there. I would run over there, hire a private jet to get over to elvahair.com because they know what they're doing over there. I'm impressed. That's all for today. I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye guys.